views. Ever scrolled through TikTok and wondered how your favorite creators are actually making a living from it? It might seem like just fun and games, but for many, TikTok has become a serious money-making machine. And the best part, you don't need millions of followers to get started. Today, we're diving deep into the proven strategies that turn viral videos into real, tangible income. We'll break down everything from the TikTok Creator Fund to building a full-fledged business right from your phone. So, if you've ever dreamed of turning your passion for creating content into a paycheck, you're in the right place. Let's get started on your journey to financial freedom in the digital economy. First things first, let's talk about the most direct way to earn on the platform: the TikTok Creator Fund. This is TikTok's own program designed to reward creators for their popular content. Now, there are some eligibility requirements. You need to be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers. Once you're in, TikTok pays you based on a variety of factors, including video views, engagement, and authenticity. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and the payout per view can be small. A reward from TikTok itself for contributing to the platform. It's the perfect way to get your feet wet and start seeing a direct financial return for your creativity. Now, let's move on to a method with even greater earning potential: affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other companies' products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of this is you don't need to create your own product. You can partner with brands you already love and use. For example, if you're a beauty creator, you can link to your favorite makeup products. If you're into tech, you can share links to the latest gadgets. Your audience trusts you, so only promote products you genuinely believe in. You can place your affiliate links in your bio using a tool like Linktree. It's a fantastic way to monetize your content by recommending things your audience is already interested in. Ready to level up? This is when a brand pays you to create content featuring their product. This is often the most lucrative income stream for TikTok creators. You might be thinking you need a massive following for this, but that's not always true. Many brands are now focusing on micro-influencers, creators with smaller but highly engaged, niche audiences. These partnerships can be more authentic and have a higher return on investment for the brand. To attract sponsorships, you need to define your niche and build a strong, personal brand. Your content should have a consistent look, feel, and message. Create a media kit that showcases your stats, audience demographics, and past collaborations. You can proactively reach out to brands you want to work with or join influencer marketing platforms that connect creators with companies looking for partnerships. But what if you want to be your own boss and sell your own products? That's where dropshipping and e-commerce come in. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without ever holding any inventory yourself. When a customer buys from your online store, a third-party supplier ships the product directly to them. TikTok is an incredible platform for this because of its power to make products go viral overnight, free. You've probably seen those TikTok made me buy it videos. You can create engaging videos showcasing a unique or problem-solving product. Drive traffic to your Shopify store and watch the sales roll in. It takes work to set up, but the potential for building a scalable business is huge. You're not just an influencer anymore. Beyond physical products, there's a whole world of digital products you can create and sell. This is one of my favorite methods because once you create the product, the possibilities are endless and depend on your expertise. If you're a fitness coach, you could sell workout plans or recipe ebooks. If you're a photographer, you could sell custom presets. If you're a business expert, you could offer online courses or templates. You can market these directly in your TikTok videos. Guide your audience to the link in your bio to purchase. 2. This creates a powerful passive income stream that leverages your unique skills and knowledge, turning your expertise into a valuable asset. Another fantastic way to monetize your presence is by offering services or coaching. If you have a specific skill, people will pay for your time and expertise. Are you a social media guru? Offer account audits or management services to businesses. Offer virtual music lessons. Offer resume, reviews, and interview prep sessions. Your TikTok account acts as your portfolio. Slow. You can create content that gives a taste of your knowledge, like quick tips or mini tutorials, as they're not just buying a product, but investing in direct access to you. Let's not forget about TikTok's own monetization features beyond the Creator Fund. TikTok live gifting is a big one. When you go live, your viewers can send you virtual gifts, which can be converted into real money. To make this work, you need to create engaging live streams that keep your audience entertained. You could host Q&A sessions, do tutorials, perform a talent, or just chat with your community. The more interactive and valuable your live stream is, the more likely viewers are to show their appreciation with gifts. There's also the Creator Marketplace, which is TikTok's official platform for connecting brands and creators for paid campaigns. It streamlines the process of finding and managing brand deals, making it easier to secure those lucrative sponsorships we talked about earlier. The foundation of every single one of these strategies is a strong, engaged audience. And to build that, you need to understand the TikTok algorithm. The algorithm's goal is to keep users on the platform for as long as possible by showing them content they love. It prioritizes things like watch time, completion rate, shares, comments, and likes. Your job is to create content that hooks viewers in the first 3 seconds, tells a compelling story, and encourages interaction. Use trending sounds and hashtags, but always add your own unique spin. Post consistently to stay top of mind. And most importantly, listen to your audience. Pay attention to the comments and see what they're responding to. Build a community, not just a following. When people feel connected to you, they're more likely to support your ventures. Let's recap the roadmap to making money on TikTok. You start by creating great content and joining the Creator Fund to get your first taste of earning. As your audience grows, you can start incorporating affiliate marketing by recommending products you love. 2. At the same time, build your brand and professionalize your profile to attract lucrative brand sponsorships. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, explore dropshipping or creating your own digital products to build a scalable business. Leverage your skills by offering coaching or services. And don't forget to use TikTok's built-in features like live gifting. It's not about choosing just one path. The most successful creators diversify their income streams. They combine several of these methods to create a robust financial ecosystem around their content. 2. The common thread through all of this is providing value. Whether it's through entertainment, education, or inspiration, your content needs to give something to the viewer. When you focus on serving your audience first, the money will follow. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Building a successful presence on TikTok, like any business, takes time, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Experiment with different types of content, analyze your data, and see what resonates. Your journey on TikTok is a marathon, not a sprint. But with the right strategies and a lot of passion, you can absolutely turn your creative hobby into a fulfilling and profitable career. The digital economy is booming, and TikTok is one of its most exciting frontiers. The opportunity is right there at your fingertips. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide has inspired you and given you a clear path forward. The world of TikTok monetization is vast, but it's not out of reach. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your presence and income online. Let me know in the comments which monetization strategy you're most excited to try first. I'll see you in the next video.